Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for interior design and home decor business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's enter the website. Now create new site. Enter your business or your website type. So let's choose something here. So for example this. Now wait a few seconds to prepare your dashboard, and here enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's move on. Here set your default working hours. Now let's move on. Here if you want to add some services, add your staff. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders. So I'm gonna choose them all here. Now continue to dashboard. Design the site. Now how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize a design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Enter your information here, the email, the address and the phone. Here if you want to add the social link, so let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Now wait a few seconds to prepare your homepage designs. Pick your homepage, your favorite homepage. Here if you want to add page to your site, now your site is ready. Here if you want to edit more your website, click here, and this is the settings of the website. Here if you want to add elements, so the first element is the text, the theme text and the titles, the paragraphs. So here if you want to edit the size or the shape of the writing, let's move on to the next elements, the image. Here you can, if you're looking for something, here you can upload image. Here if you want to import image, you can also show more image here. So that's it. Let's move on to the button. The button elements here, you can edit the size or the shape of the button, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons and the iTunes buttons, and the last thing here, the payments buttons. So let's move on to the next elements. Here the strip elements, if you want to add classic or featured or about or services, contact, welcome and testimonials and theme. So let's move on to the decorative. Here the shapes, your lines, themed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines. Here the vector arch, the featured, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges, the characters, and the last thing here is the video box and video mask, transparent video. So let's move on to the box. The boxes elements. Here if you want to edit the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. So if you want to add something, just hold on it and put it here and put it on your website, and that's it, will be done. The gallery elements here, if you're looking for recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, and here if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Let's move on to the menu and anchor. The same menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Just hold on it and put it on your website, and that's it. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu, and the search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. The contact forms, the order forms, the registration, donation and application, the feedback, request, the waiver and subscribe. Here the Google Maps, the maps and the full width maps, the Wix chat and the line. So let's move on to the video and the music. Here if you want to edit your video settings, video elements, and here is the music element. So let's move on to interactive, the full width slideshows and the box slideshows, the light boxes, the boxes, the repeaters. Here if you want to edit something, so the list elements here, the repeaters, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters, you can just hold on it and put it here and it will be done. The next here, the embed codes. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to do single video players, here if you want to edit the audio settings, the advanced settings and the animation. Here is the social bar. If you want to edit your social bar, just hold on it and push it here, and that's it, will be done. Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line or YouTube. So that's it. Let's move on to the payment settings. You can edit the payments here, the same as here. You can easily manage your site contents, the blog and the store, the bookings, the events and the community, and the last thing is the designs. So that's it. Here if you want to add more sections, select any section here you want. That's it. Let's move on. Here if you want to add pages and menu, click here. Now here select any menu you want, any page you want to add. So let's move on. Here the site design. If you want to design your website, if you want to design the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add more apps, here you can manage your business. Here you can upload your media, and also you can edit images and videos. You can if you want free Wix image, and here if you want free Wix videos. Here the same as easily manage your site content. And the last thing here is marketing and SEO, the Google ads, the Facebook ads and the SEO, the social media marketing and the marketing integrations. So that's it. Here if you want to design your website, here you can move it down or move it up. Also you can do a quick edit. Here if you want to explore section layouts, here more actions. If you want to add more actions, cut or copy or duplicate the section or delete the section. So that's it for today. That's how to do it. Now after you're done from editing and designing your website, all you have to do is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.